In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange platform. This simple adjustment can enhance your viewing experience, especially if you find yourself working late into the evening or prefer a darker interface to ease eye strain. First, let's navigate to the Binance website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.binance.com. Binance is a leading cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a multitude of altcoins. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a range of options. But for now, we'll focus on accessing your profile. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice a profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This step takes you to your account information, where you manage your settings and other personal details. It's a bit like visiting the control center of your account. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so by entering your credentials for a seamless experience. Once inside, the profile area becomes a hub where you can view and alter various user preferences. Among these, you'll find the Settings option, your next action item. Click on the Settings tab. This is your gateway to customize your Binance experience across multiple elements. The settings can help tailor the platform more closely to your needs, including thematic changes, like what we're focusing on today. With the settings page open, you'll need to scroll down a bit to find what we're looking for. As you scan through the options, watch out for the theme section. Once you find it, click on Theme. This selection will open up different modes you can choose from to change the visual style of your interface. Here, Binance offers several options to suit different preferences. Today, our focus is on the dark mode, known for its elegance and reduced glare, enabling a visually calming experience. Select dark mode from the available options. The platform is designed to switch instantly, so you'll see the interface transition from a light to a dark theme seamlessly. The stark contrast of dark mode not only reduces blue light exposure, which can disrupt sleep patterns, but also enhances readability, adding a touch of sophistication to your browsing experience. It's a straightforward process, isn't it? Transforming your Binance interface into dark mode can be beneficial, especially if you frequently use the platform in low-light environments or simply prefer the aesthetic it brings. Thank you for joining us in today's quick and easy guide. I hope you find this visual change comforting and conducive to your trading and browsing activities. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to explore, feel free to leave a comment or engage with our community. Thank you for choosing to enhance your Binance experience with us. Happy trading.